With over 50 years in the business, it's hardly surprising that Seyi is the runaway market leader in Taiwan for C-frame and straight-side mechanical presses. Seyi has a global presence with dedicated locations in Taiwan and China, as well as a huge number of dealers around the world.
Сотрудничество будет продолжаться и все будет окей. Essas são minhas palavras. Muito obrigado.
Durante o tempo que for preciso.
Good quality is what sells the machine.
それと信頼性が持てるようになった。
These presses are used by all of the industry leaders in a wide range of applications, and their customer base shows the breadth of their market presence. With superior technology, Seyi has steadily increased its production volume over the years. The people at Seyi are what makes this company really special. The expert management team works closely with the master machinists, ensuring that each and every machine at Seyi is produced to perfection, with detailed documentation processes guaranteeing outstanding quality for every customer. Seyi's focus on quality throughout the production process has allowed the company to win a number of international awards and certifications for the company. Research and development is the core strength behind the excellent products from Seyi. The press clutch system is one of the very special designs developed in-house that delivers superior control and performance for a range of Seyi presses. Seyi maintains its position as the market leader in Taiwan by nurturing cooperative development with Japanese technology partners to deliver the latest solutions and technologies to global customers. Seyi's second production facility at Kunshan came online in May 2011 and is 5 times larger than the Taoyuan headquarters facility. It specializes in delivering large presses for the automotive, aerospace and 3C components industries' ever-increasing automated production line requirements. Production capabilities are the core of any manufacturing business, and Seyi has taken great care to bring together the very best technologies with the very best people to deliver the market-leading products that customers demand. Seyi performs all of its production in-house, from the smallest components right through to the largest structural components. This is key to maintaining the quality that the company has been famous for over the years. After a decade of development, the new servo press line from Seyi is a market-leading, cutting-edge product that delivers unbeatable productivity and versatility for customers in a range of industries needing advanced, smart metal forming capabilities. These presses resolve the forming issues associated with high tensile strength steels, allowing customers to take advantage of the latest opportunities in the automotive, 3C and other industries to provide efficient, high precision forming of advanced materials.